Imagine you have an SFTP server, you have to put this on AWS. The method is manual configuration, and the way you do it is you put these on virtual machines, okay, on AWS, and then you write scripts for automation. These scripts can be Bash or Python stuff, and then schedule transfers, monitor the folders. The challenge comes with respect to scalability because the moment you got to put a server which can scale up or scale down automatically, that becomes a challenge if are doing a manual configuration. The chances of doing a human error is high since you are doing this manually, the configuration, and this is not automated. So this is prone to human mistakes. You need a lot of developer effort for configuration, and the process, due to human nature, the process may not be consistent or it can lack consistency because one human can configure it in a different way than the other human being. To address this, there is a new feature in AWS now. They are giving you an option to use infrastructure as a code, IAC. And why should you use it? You should use it to deploy your managed file servers like SFTP server and so on. And that eliminates the need for manual configuration. You just have a small piece of code, which is YAML code, because cloud formation, AWS cloud formation, using that you create infrastructure as a code. That is a YAML script, a small script, and this can help you achieve speed, consistency, as well as scalability. That is very important. So speed, because now you just execute a code and it just runs. So it runs in the flash and the servers are set up with the actual desired configuration. No manual intervention. So it is definitely faster than what a human would take to configure this manually. Okay, so where can you use this? Which industries can you use this? So points 3, 4, and 5, we are trying to depict how industries will make use of this. See, financial institutions like someone like JP Morgan, they exchange sensitive data with various partners. It can be banking data, it can be stock data, uh, it can be futures, it can be NASDAQ data, and so on. So there you can automate the deployment of SFTP servers. Same with healthcare. Point number 4. So you can use this infrastructure as a code to set up the FTP endpoints so that hospitals can receive patient records. So there are hospitals and then there are different doctors, and in order to receive the health records, they talk to each other through the network systems. So that can be taken care here. And similarly, e-commerce, they can handle large volumes of orders and shipments data because now this process, this uh, infrastructure as a code is scalable. So you need more servers. It can do that, and even you want to have a good setup for scalable configurations, you can do that as well. Okay, so please subscribe if you want to know more about such relevant topics of cloud in the cloud world. These will help you with certifications. in certifications, SFTP questions also come in, depending upon which AWS certification you are targeting. So this brings us to the end of this part. It's a cool feature that has been launched by AWS in the recent times.